What's going on, guys? It's the crackhead guy behind the camera, and if you're familiar with my voice, go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this channel so that you don't miss out on any video when I upload a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the proven ways you can use to clear your cache on any Windows PC, be it the Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So there are many ways out there that you can use to clear your cache. The first way to clean your cache, which might also be the easiest way stroke proven way to clean your cache, is to go ahead and clean your cache using the disk cleanup. So first of all, we need to go over to our Windows menu icon, click on it and type in or search for disk cleanup. So we're going to type in disk cleanup, and you're going to first of all select the option that first pop up on your screen. You can select it by simply clicking on it or pressing open. So I'm just going to go ahead and press open on this side. So it's going to look like this. It's saying calculating right now, and once it's done, it should bring out this little window right here. All right, so right here, most of all these files here are temporary files. So what we're going to do is to go ahead and delete each of these files. So if you look at it, it's likely going to be selected already: download program files and temporary internet files. So we're going to leave those ones already checked and go ahead and check on these other ones right here. It should say the amount of space that you're going to be cleaning. So if you have any important files on your recycle bin stroke download folders, please go ahead and uncheck these right away, because I am going to have to do this because I already have my major files on my download folder, and my recycle bin, I might likely want to go there and recycle some stuff there. So as you can see, if I go ahead and check on it, the file size is going to be drastically different when I include those files, because as you can see, there are big files already in those areas. So I'm just going to go ahead and check on all of these. So check on these ones that doesn't have any picture on it. So it's 52.7 I have here. So in most cases it's going to vary, and we're now going to go ahead and click on OK. So it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? We're going to go ahead and select delete files, and it's going to start cleaning up your drive. So right now it's already completed my own cleaning for the first step. So moving on to the second one, which you're going to be using to clear your cache, we're going to be going ahead to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So what we're going to do exactly is hover your mouse onto your Windows icon and then right click instead of left clicking. So once you left click, this is what it should look like. So I said right click. Then once you right click, you're going to find the run option here. And if you don't find this run option over here on this window that just popped up right now, you're going to go ahead and click on the Windows and then type in run. So you're going to find this application here. You can go ahead and run it from here. I'm going to go ahead and continue from this area. So I'm going to right click on my Windows and click on run, and it should bring up this little windows right here. So it doesn't matter what is already open here. So just go ahead and clean it or clear it up. Then type in ws in capital letter and reset.exe right here. So it should be somewhere on the screen right here or anywhere on the screen. So all you're going to be typing is wsreset.exe, and we're going to go ahead and press OK, or simply press enter on your keyboard. So it's going to open up your command prompt, but it's going to be looking blank like this. It doesn't matter if your MS Word, your Microsoft. All right, so basically right now my Microsoft Store is the one left on my screen right now. So basically what he just did in the background was clear my Microsoft cache using that command prompt console you just saw right now. And once that command prompt console is gone and this is now finally what you see on your screen, probably I'm not on the internet, so it's going to be writing check your internet. So I'm not connected to the internet right now, but it should be looking like this if you're connected to the internet. So your Microsoft Store should be launched right now already to know that yes, you have successfully cleared your Microsoft cache. So we're going to go ahead and close this up and move over to the third way you can clear your cache on your PC. So the next cache we are going to be clearing is the location cache. So we're going to go ahead and clear our location cache. What we're going to do first of all is to go over to our Windows icon and click on it. Then type in settings. Type in settings. If you don't find the settings option right here to click on, just go ahead and type in settings, and then select the first app you see, the settings app you're going to find here. Go ahead and click open, and then let me make this full screen. So while we're on this settings area, we're going to go over to this privacy area. Then on this left hand side, you're going to look for where you're going to find the location option. On the Windows 11, you might likely find it at the bottom extreme, but you're going to find this on the Windows 10 somewhere around the top side. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the location and wait for some minutes for all these apps to pop up if it doesn't pop up really fast. So At this point, what this actually does is to clear your location history that softwares might probably be using on your computer. So probably I don't have any apps that uses my location at the moment, but most of you guys might have softwares that might have demanded your location, and you'll be like, okay, and accept it to use your location. So what that might actually be doing is to be storing temporary files on your PC for your location aspect. So you can as well go ahead and clear your location history on this device. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and clear location on this device, location history, sorry. So go ahead and hit this clear button, and you should have this check mark right next to it to tell you that you're already done with that aspect. So it's also fine if you don't have any of these softwares already checked right now, but it's as well a step that you might want to try when it comes to general cache cleaning on a Windows PC. So what we're going to do next is to flush DNS cache. So I'm just going to go ahead and close down my settings. So right now, what we're going to do, first of all, we have to go over to our Windows area and click on it, then type in Windows PowerShell. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Windows PowerShell. So you're going to select this application you see right here. So we're going to go ahead and run it. You can as well run it as administrator to avoid less problems. So run it as an administrator, and it should look like this basically on a Windows 10, but on a Windows 11 it looks much more different. So what we are going to be typing right now is the IP config space flush DNS and hit enter, and as you can see it says right here, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So we are going to go ahead and close down our PowerShell right now. Alright guys, that is going to be the last one I'm going to be recommending to you guys on how to clear your cache on Windows, on any Windows. And go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And you can as well feel free to comment down on this video what you want my next video to be. And I also have a Telegram channel where you can come down there to meet me one-on-one or discuss tech related stuff. So check out all the links down in the description box, and without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.